pleasure into your own hands with the Mini Marvels Marvelous Tickler by Cal Exotics. I'm sexologist Dr. Jill, and the Mini Marvels line of colorful, palm-sized vibes that come in fun retro comic packaging has been a favorite of mine, and I'm delighted for the new addition of Marvelous Tickler, a finger vibe, into the mix. This totally self-contained silicone vibe slips right over your index finger to add some oomph to fingering partner play or masturbation. With pleasure ridges and 10 functions of vibration, take your ordinary stroking, rubbing, or gliding motions up a level. It's perfect for small to medium-sized fingers, and you can use it to enhance clitoral rubbing, penis stroking, or nipple play. Easy push buttons turn the vibe on and off and control the settings, and it's rechargeable and waterproof for finger fun in the shower.